Hey, how's it going? Today we will be picking the ASSA 700. This is my key in my bidding. It's actually my second take, as my first take I messed up the gutting, so then I have to restart, do it over again. But shouldn't be too bad. Maybe I can get it relatively quickly this go around. There we go. Gonna use medium hook, 19. See if we can get this thing open. Lock is open. Let's take it out of the vise so you can see it. Lock is open. So now I'm going to take the key, lock it back up, put that down right there. Grab our circlip tools. Take that off. Let's go ahead and see if we can get a shim up in here. Where the shim is. My good shims are not. All right, let's see if I can get this thing apart without messing up the gut this time. Seems like that worked just fine. Do that right there. Take our shim and we'll put it like, I'll just put it over there. Pin 1, pin 2, oop, that's a anti-drill. That's pin 2. That is anti-drill. Pin 3, torpedo. First 3 have been torpedoes so far. Then we got standards. It's another standard. Another torpedo. And then another torpedo. Cool. That's everything out of there. While I'm here, I'll show the core milling. So there's milling there, 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 and there. You can see it. It's on the other side too. And let me do that. Make sure that I am able to show the orientation of the trees and everything. I'm gonna get it like this right here. So there's a tapered. That's number 7. Oop. Let's bring it to that chamber. There's our tree in slot 6. There's our taper, slot 5. Organize this real quick. There's our spring. There's our tree. That is slot 4. There's a tapered in slot 3. There's a gin, slot 2. And there is another gin in slot 1. And that is everything. Here's a close-up of the pins.